Hey guys, Chris here. Today's video is a little bit different. We're going full vlog style. I'm taking you guys along with me behind the scenes, filming two videos, and then we're going to the Mjøs Tower and the Wood Hotel, spending the night there as part of the 30,000 subscriber special I've been promising you for the past few months. And also, once we get settled down, we're going to be doing the 30,000 subscriber giveaway of the Zaptec Go home charger. And I just want to spend this opportunity to thank every one of you subscribers out there who has chosen to click that subscribe button here on the channel. Old ones, new ones. I really appreciate every one of you guys, and I also appreciate every view, every like, and every comment. Without this and you guys, this channel wouldn't be possible. So I am really grateful for you guys. And let's put the next goal at 50,000 subscribers and do an even cooler, special once we get there. But yeah, today's video is all about, what's happening today, and I can't wait to check out the hotel. So let's get out of here, get on the road, and yeah, do some filming. First video I'm shooting today is the exterior and interior tour of the Audi Q4 e-tron 50 Quattro. Today, like many other days, the day starts here at this self-service washing place because I have to clean this car. Now it being fall, and you can see that it's damp outside, the cars get dirty very quickly. I like to shoot the cars clean to show you guys, the car from its best side possible. So that's what we're going to do now, and then we're going to head on over to another place where I shoot the cars where, there isn't traffic like you can see around here. Otherwise, this would be a nice place to shoot the cars, but we have cars going around all the time here from morning till evening. This is the parking lot. I usually film the exterior and interior tour videos here on the channel. And if you want to check out the exterior and interior tour video on this, the Q4 e-tron 50 Quattro Edition 1, there will be a link in the description box down below. That video went out yesterday. But this parking lot is often completely empty. It's big. It's a little bit secluded from the road that runs on the outer perimeter of these buildings, and those roads are, just typical suburban roads, so not a lot of traffic and low speed. So this place gives me peace and quiet. And my past few videos have been filmed on my iPhone actually, because it gives me a better field of view than my main camera, but not, as good of quality. I tried to record audio to this camera so you at least get the good audio. But let me know in the comment section down below if you see my past few videos, is the quality good enough for the channel? If not, I'll probably be upgrading this camera to a better lens. Okay, we're now done shooting the exterior and interior tour of this car. It's getting dark, it's getting cold, we're losing a bit of daylight, it's winter, so the sun goes down like 4 o'clock. So I think we're gonna head on now towards Mjøs Tower, Mjøstårnet, probably check into the hotel, show you guys some of the hotel, and then shoot my second video after I've settled there, and then end the video with the giveaway in the hotel room. Here we are, guys, at our turnaround point. No, I'm just kidding. We're not. We're here where we're going to stay at the Mjøs Tower, the Wood Hotel. Wow, we've been here so many times before, and finally, we're going to exit here as per usual, but instead of turning around, we are going to, we're going to go to the hotel. Yeah, pretty awesome. I've now checked in, and they've given me a room here on the 8th floor. This is room 810. So let's go ahead and check this out. I'm going to show you guys the view in just a second because the view is pretty nice out the window here. But I just want to show you guys the theme of the hotel. So the hotel is called the Wood Hotel. The building, the Mjøs Tower, which is made out of wood. The whole thing's made out of wood. The internal structure, you can see here, these are the beams that actually support the building, are these massive wooden posts here. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So the building has 19 floors, 85.4 meters tall, making it the world's tallest wooden building. And you see the floors here are made out of wood. The doors here are massive wood. And let's check out the bathroom. Yeah, look at this, pretty insane. So these are tiles that look like wood. So this is pretty nice. So this is a standard double room they gave me. I wanted a nicer room, but they were actually fully booked. But they have these corner rooms that are panoramic. They also have a suite up on the 15th floor with a balcony, the only room with a balcony. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So there will be a link in the description box down below, guys, to the Wood Hotel and the Mjøs Tower, because they have actually given me this hotel room for free for the night. So they're actually sponsoring this portion of the video. So huge thanks to Wood Hotel and the Mjøs Tower for sponsoring me with this hotel room. There will be a link in the description box down below if you want to book a hotel room here while staying in Norway. A lot of guys have been commenting that you want to do that from my videos. So there's a link down below if you want to do that. But guys, check out this view. Yeah, we're in time for sunset. The windows are a little bit dirty here, so that's a little bit unfortunate, but can we open this up here? And let's see. Yes, we can. Okay, guys, look at this view. Look at this. Wow, look at that sunset. The beautiful Mjøsa. Oh my God, look at that. And you can actually see the cables here because they are actually washing the windows. But look at that insane view. That is beautiful. So tomorrow when we wake up, we're gonna go to the 18th or 19th floor where they actually have this viewpoint where you can look, well, probably very far. I don't think we have enough time now to see that because the sun's gonna go down in a few minutes and it's gonna be pitch black here because we're not close to a lot of civilization here in Brumunddal. I mean, we have the town of Brumunddal, but all over here it's pretty rural. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna show you guys the view, but before we end the night here, so I told you I was gonna film 2 videos today, but because of daylight and stuff like that, yeah, Norway in the winter time, I'm gonna film that other video tomorrow, which will be the charging test of the Q4 e-tron. So I'm going to show you guys behind the scenes then. So what we're going to do now before I go to bed for the night, because I'm going to catch up with you guys also in the morning, is that we're going to do a Q&A. I haven't done that in a while. So I'm going to, you know, settle down here, find a place to sit and find some cool questions that you guys have been asking in the past few, I don't know, 10, 20 videos that I want to address. Judging from the license plate, this is an early dealer car that came with the 360 camera hardware, but because of the lack of software, none of these cameras work. I'm in the same situation with my early Q450. Hopefully an update will enable 360 and much more in just a few weeks. Interesting. What? Seriously. That is insane. So if you saw my video yesterday, my tour of the Q4 e-tron 50 Quattro, I pointed out that the car has all the cameras around, but no actual 360 camera in the display. But that's so weird. How is that so? Because Audi have been making that infotainment system with the cameras for years. I had it in my e-tron 55. And I also have the backup camera in my e-tron GT. That is weird. Hi Chris, having driven both the fat e-tron, I know you did the side-by-side comparison video. As an everyday car, which would you choose? I need to look at my next lease vehicle and I'm torn between the e-tron 55 S-Line or going for the Q4 e-tron. So yes, I have made a comparison video. It will be linked in the description box down below where I compare my old e-tron 55, the one I had, with the e-tron Q4 when it came out, the Q4 e-tron. That was a rear-wheel drive version. And now that I've been driving the four-wheel drive version, I mean, the Quattro version is better than the rear-wheel drive version. You have more power. But I think if it was my money, I would still go for a less equipped e-tron 55 than the Q4 e-tron with a little bit more kit, because the interior in the e-tron 55 is so much better. It's so much more quiet and comfortable. It comes standard with air suspension, the e-tron 55. And also charging is just insane. So real world range, yes, maybe less on a full charger battery, but because of that charging speed, you're gonna be able to go further quicker. Hi Chris, nice videos. Keep them coming. But is it me only having a hard time accepting 60 to 70% in okay range from WLTP? Okay, so this is my motorway range test with the Audi Q4 e-tron, the 50. And from the test I've done so far on the motorway with real measured speeds of above 110 kilometers an hour, most EVs do between 60 and 70% of their WLTP rated range. And he's a bit disappointed. A lot of people are disappointed, but realistically, if you look at a car's consumption, either it's, liters per 100 kilometers or its EPA mileage, you're not going to be able to get that at a high speed. I mean, at the motorway speed, 70 miles per hour, 110 kilometers an hour, you're not going to be getting that, that number consumption. So I think 60 to 70% is okay considering the WLTP rated range of percentage. Should the WLTP range be adjusted? Yes, that's why I do my own testing, why I do the motorway range test, where we measure out how far the actual range is on the motorway, because that's going to give you guys one of the worst case scenarios for driving for a lot of people. Of course, a lot of places in the world the speed limit is even higher, but a lot of places the speed limit is like 70 miles per hour or 110 kilometers an hour. Okay, we're going to do the last comment before, I settle in for the evening and I see you guys in the morning. And this comment is a bit unfortunate because somebody commented, it's not longer the tallest wood building in the world, talking about the Mjøs Tower. And I'm like, it's not, what is then? And the Dushan Suishi building in China, probably butchering the pronunciation, is just short of 100 meters. And then somebody writes that it's not even finished construction, so is it an official record? I still believe it's an official record because it has surpassed this building. But is that true? And is it above the height of this, 85.4 meters yet? Because finally, when I stay here, this isn't the tallest wooden building in the world anymore. Yeah, that's quite a facepalm. Oh my God. So that's something for me to contemplate, sleeping here in the tallest wooden building in the world. Good morning, guys. You join me here, day 2 of this vlog, and what a view to wake up to. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is only a sneak peek because we're going to take the elevator now up to the 18th floor. We're going to walk the flight of steps up to the 19th, up to the viewpoint. I'm going to show you guys that before we head back to Oslo and end this video. Before we go out and check the view, we are now on the 18th floor. The hotel manager told me to check out the stairwell here because being on the 18th floor, as you guys can see behind me, it's open all the way down to the 1st floor. What? Yeah, that's pretty scary. That's a drop of about 85 meters. When I woke up, I looked out of the window and it looked pretty cold outside, ice on the ground, and I'm wearing my thin winter jacket. But okay, we are now on the 18th floor, and wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the structure we see from the road. Look at this. Oh my God. So how do we get to the 19th floor then? We can walk here. These are the flight of steps that we can walk up to, all the way up to the 19th floor. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we are now high above everything. Okay, this is a view, guys. This is a view. So I'm gonna turn around the camera now and show you guys. Yeah, look how beautiful this is. So we have a bridge over there, and this is the Mjøsa, the largest lake in Norway, if I'm not mistaken. And that direction, that's towards Oslo. Wow. This is a view, huh? Not the best of weather, but this is beautiful. So if you want to experience beautiful Norwegian nature here in Eastern Norway, this is a place to definitely check out. Oh, look at this. Cool park over there. You have to be a guest of the hotel to be able to take the elevator up here to the 19th and 18th floor though. So this is the city of Brumunddal. You can see they have some industry over there, and then you have a river. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And down here you see the motorway we do the motorway range test on. So this is always where we come driving, and I point up to this point where I'm standing and I say, this is the Mjøs Tower, 85.4 meters tall. Wow, look at this, guys. This is pretty awesome. So we finally got to experience this thanks to you guys. So thank you so much again for subscribing to the channel, liking the videos, watching the videos, and commenting down below. It really means a lot. So guys, let's get out of here, head towards Oslo, and yeah, do some more vlogging. I'm now filming the 10 to 80% charging time and charging speed test here in the Audi Q4. This is what I was going to do yesterday, but because of time and daylight, I wanted to wait here till tomorrow. But this is my setup, guys. So I film on my main camera, of course, and then I film the charging session on my GoPro. I don't know which one this is, like the 7 or 8. I bought it last year only to, well, be able to film the displays here on the cars and also to film the chargers when necessary. So I don't use that camera for anything else. And then I also have my light over here. I'm thinking of getting a new light because this light is a little bit harsh, maybe getting a bigger light, but it's so nice and compact and easy to charge. But like now when I have it angled like this, it's a bit harsh. So I started, you know, trying to reflect it off the ceiling. So we're now here charging. We're at 78%. So I also usually time this with my my phone here, and let's see what the timer is at now at 78%. Yeah, 33 minutes, almost 34 minutes. I think this is going to take like 34 minutes, and quite impressive actually, guys. It's 0 degrees Celsius outside. We haven't driven this car far from, you know, the hotel. We connected it to a 50 kilowatt charger right outside of the hotel, charged to 10%, and I drove here. Not more than 10 kilometers. And we've been getting, yeah, peak speed of the charging curve about all the way. So we're at 79% here. I'm gonna finish up this video and we're gonna head towards Oslo. And then we're gonna do the giveaway of the Zaptec Go home charger. Oh, I can't wait for that, guys. I hope you guys are excited. Now, let's get on with the 30,000 subscriber giveaway, the Zaptec Go home charger I am giving away to a lucky subscriber as part of the 30,000 subscriber milestone. And again, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate every one of you guys out there. The support has been immense, and yeah, I'm so grateful for all the subscribers, all the likes, all the comments, and all the views. I really do appreciate it. And if you haven't dropped a like on the video down below, be sure to do that. So without further ado, let's go ahead with the giveaway. And a disclaimer, guys, this charger that I'm giving away, the Zaptec Go home charger, is provided by Zaptec. So a huge thanks to them for providing me with this charger so I can give it away to one of you lucky subscribers. And if you're not the winner, don't be sad, because if you live in Norway, you can go to the link down below and get 10% off your purchase if you buy a Zaptec Go home charger using the discount code ZAPRIFA. If you don't live in Norway, unfortunately, we're not able to do the discount, but there'll still be a link to purchasing one. So just find your country from the list down below and click there if you're interested in getting a Zaptec home charger. I mean, it's super, super cool. So without further ado, the lucky winner is Christian Kiratoshvil. I don't know, I'm probably butchering that pronunciation. And Christian, I've already sent you a message that you are the lucky winner of the giveaway. So be sure to get back to me with your address, with your details, and I'll be shipping that out to you as soon as possible. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's been pretty cool going to the Mjøs Tower, doing this giveaway, all these things we've been talking about for the past month or two as part of the special. And I can't wait till we get to that 50K milestone. So drop a comment down below what you want me to do then. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please drop me a thumbs up down below. And for more car content, as always, guys, please subscribe. See you guys later and goodbye.